Let me share with you how to make a watermelon sago delight. This is a wonderfully refreshing dessert that is perfect for a one day and you will probably love it from your very first taste. We start by cooking the sago peas. Pour about 1 cup of sago peas directly into the inner pot of your rice cooker. Then carefully add boiling water until the sago is completely covered. Put the lid on the rice cooker and set it to the quick cook function. When the cooking cycle finishes, do not open the lid right away. Let the sago sit inside with the lid closed for another 5 minutes. This resting time is very important. After 5 minutes, open the lid. You will see that the sago peas have become completely clear with no hard white centers left. Immediately transfer them to a colander and rinse with cool water. This makes the sago nice and chewy. Now take about 3 cups of fresh sweet watermelon cubes and place them in a blender. For a touch of creamy sweetness, add 1 tablespoon of condensed milk. Blend this until it becomes a smooth thick juice. Take the clean rice cooker pot and add the remaining fresh watermelon cut into small cubes. Then pour the freshly made watermelon juice over the top of the watermelon cubes. Gently stir in the cooked and cool sago peas. You will see the clear peas mixed with the vibrant red juice, creating a very beautiful dessert. For the best experience, place the entire pot in the refrigerator to chill for at least an hour. Serving it cool makes it incredibly refreshing. The finished dessert is a joy to eat. The sago peas are soft and chewy. The watermelon is sweet and juicy, and the chili liquid is so satisfying to drink. This is the perfect, easy way to make a special dessert using a simple kitchen appliance. It is a treat that is both delicious and a great way to cool down.